20% ng enalapril. So now, guidelines now advocate, therefore, the guidelines now advocate switch to ARNI, angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor, for patients with symptomatic heart failure with reduced EF who tolerate ACE or ARB. Kunyari, yung patient mo naka-enalapril na. Pero kung gusto mo pang bumaba ng 20% ng yung overall all-cause mortality, i-switch mo yung ACE to ARNI. Yun yung paradigm trial. So, how about the mineralocorticoid antagonist? So, yung aldosterone antagonism, kasama din pala siya. It can also reduce mortality. So, tatlo na, yung RAS, yung mineralocorticoid, and beta blockers. So, it can be used for patients in New York Heart Classification 2 to 4. So, bakit kasi? Kasi elevated aldosterone promote sodium retention, electrolyte imbalance, and ito yung pinaka-importante siguro, endothelial dysfunction that may contribute to myocardial fibrosis. Class, pag sinabi natin ventricular remodeling or cardiac remodeling, bad yun ha. Ibig sabihin yung structure ng puso mo, papangit siya, magpepeklat siya, wala nang conduction doon, wala nang muscle doon, so parang latak na siya. So anyone or anything that can cause ventricular remodeling or fibrosis is bad. So yung aldosterone, yun yung ginagawa niya. So dapat i-antagonize natin yung aldosterone by giving eplerenone or spironolactone. So yun yan siya. So how about neurohormonal escape? So meron ka ng patients meron ka ng angiotensin 2, pero minsan nagiging resistant na siya. So parang antibiotic resistance lang siya. So because it binds competitively to the AT1 receptor. So sasagutin yan mamaya. So anong ibibigay natin kapag mayroong ganyan? Pwede kang magbigay ng dilators like hydralazine and nitrates. So hydralazine, alam naman natin, decrease yan ng systemic vascular resistance by inducing arterial vasodilation. Sa CAMP yan CAMP. So, sorry, sa nitrates pala yun. It stimulates CGMP and it produces or it consequently arterial and venous vasodilation. That's why class, yung nitrates nakakasakit ng ulo. Kasi nga, pati yung artery mo sa utak, nag-dilate siya. So, pag nagbigay kayo ng nitrates sa pasyente, it's okay na magka-headache siya. This combination improves survival, but not to the magnitude evidenced by ACE or ARB. So, survival, din mortality din siya. So, sige. Pero, ang layo ng makukuha mong benefit using ACE or ARB kung mortality pinag-usapan or survival benefit compared to hydralazine and nitrates. So, siyempre, bibigay mo siya pag may pasyenteng may renal insufficiency or hyperkalemia. Kasi you cannot give mineralocorticoid antagonist, di ba? Yung aldosterone antagonist kasi, di ba? Sodium in, potassium out ang aldosterone. So, pag blinak mo yon, sodium out, potassium in, may hyperkalemia ka na. Hindi pwede. Pati, di ba, contraindicated din ang tumataas ang potassium kapag meron ka sa mga ACE or ARB. So, caution din siya. So, how about a newer drug? Ito, ibabradine or Corolan. Bawal yan Pakain ba ang Corolan mamaya? May balance. Sponsor pa siya. Bakit nandito? Ibabradine. Kasi nung ginawa siguro tong slide na to, ang ibabra din sa market isa lang, it's Coralan. Pero ngayon marami ng ibang brand, no? So, nakakatuwa kasi funny channel, yung F doon stands for funny. So, IF channel siya tumadaan. So, it slows the heart rate without a negative inotropic effect. Intindihin nyo na lang yan. Kasi pag sa pag-iintindi natin, usually kasi anyone that can cause your heart rate to slow, kahit pa paano yung inotropic, nagle-lessen din. Pero dito, dahil sa funny channel siya tumadaan, yung inotropic effect is maintained. No? Kasi sinabi natin inotropy, di ba? Yung pumping. So, how about this one? These medications are really anti-diabetic medications. But they can reduce cardiovascular events and mortality among patients with DM at high cardiovascular risk. Sino yung mga high cardiovascular risk? Or with established atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. Pag sinabi na natin established, ito na yung na heart attack, ito na yung may diabetes, ito na yung may stroke, ito na yung may peripheral arterial occlusive disease. Pero yung mga may high risk, may computation yan. Yun yung more than